بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, take out page number 23, Unit 2, Part B. Look at the words in the box. Write each word under its correct heading. For example, masculine, feminine, common gender, and neuter in your notebooks. Students, make 4 columns for each noun. For masculine, feminine, common gender, and neuter nouns, make 4 columns and write each word in its correct column. Listen carefully. People. People is a common gender. So write the word people in its correct column under common gender. Moon. Moon is a neuter noun. Write the word moon under neuter noun. Drake. Drake is a masculine noun. Prince. Prince is a masculine noun. Bachelor is a masculine noun. Cousin. Cousin is a common gender. Queen. Queen is a feminine noun. Write the word queen under the feminine noun. Honor. Honor is a common gender. Teacher. Teacher is a common gender. Father. Father is a masculine noun. Lion. Lion is a masculine noun. Doctor. It's a common gender. Dancer. It's a common gender too. Son, neuter noun. Wife, feminine noun. Lamp, neuter noun. Sheep, feminine noun. Leaf, neuter noun. Champion, common gender. And sun is a masculine noun. Students, write each word under its correct heading. Now, animate and inanimate nouns. A noun which refers to people, animals, and living beings is an animate noun. A word which is used for people, animals, and living things is called animate noun. Inanimate nouns refer to things that are not alive or that are not living things. Example, the teacher read a book. In this sentence, teacher is an animate noun since teacher is a human and alive. Similarly, book is a non-living thing. Thus, it is an inanimate noun. Students, a word which is used for people, animals, and living things is called animate noun. And a word which is used for non-living things is called inanimate noun. Now students, decide if each noun is animate or inanimate. The first one has been done. Duck, it's a living thing, so it's animate noun. Ship, inanimate noun. Child, animate noun. Box, inanimate noun. Flower, inanimate noun. Wood, inanimate noun. Mother, animate. Teapot, inanimate noun. Ice, inanimate. Snake, animate noun. Fire, inanimate. Chinese, animate. Sleep, inanimate noun. Sky, inanimate noun. Students, for these two nouns, animate and inanimate nouns, make two columns. So write animate nouns under animate columns and write inanimate nouns under inanimate column. This is your homework. First question, in this lesson you have two homeworks. First homework is make four columns for masculine, feminine, common gender and neuter nouns and write each word in its correct column. And second homework is make two columns and write each word in its correct column. This is your homework. Students, this was today's lesson. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.